In this demonstration, we will go over how to set up the electrodes to achieve the desired movement at your left ankle. We will begin by showing the movements generated by each of the columns, and if necessary, how to adjust the electrodes in both columns to achieve the desired movement. First, select the electrodes in the right-hand column. Increase the intensity until you observe your foot and ankle move. You can only increase in increments of 10. By turning on the electrodes in this column, you should see your foot move upward. Your foot and ankle may also move slightly inward. If you don't observe these movements, or your foot and ankle move outwards, you may need to adjust your sleeve so the electrode pads are closer to your shin bone. If you feel the stimulation into your foot or ankle, you can adjust for that by turning off the bottom electrode. Alternatively, you may want to try turning off the middle electrode to see if that helps get the desired movement. Now, turn off these electrodes and turn on the electrodes in the left-hand column. These electrodes result in the foot and ankle turning outward. Your foot and ankle may also move downward. You want to avoid this movement. You can turn off the bottom electrode or the middle electrode and test how your foot and ankle move. The electrodes in this column are often used to balance out the turning in of the foot and ankle produced by the electrodes in the right-hand column. Now, turn off these electrodes and turn on the electrodes in the right-hand column that resulted in your foot and ankle moving upward. If you noticed your foot and ankle also turning inward, or you land on the outside of your foot when you walk, you can balance this motion out by selecting electrodes in the left-hand column. Start by turning on the top electrode in the left-hand column and observe the motion of your foot and ankle. You may turn on a combination of electrodes in this column to achieve the desired movement. If you want to change the movement slightly, you can press and hold on an electrode and decrease or increase the percentage of current to that electrode. The desired movement is one where your toes clear the ground and your foot and ankle feel stable while walking. As always, reach out to the team at Cionic with any questions.